From the students during the admission, but no playground. कहाँ sports खेलेंगे भाई? कहाँ sports खेलेंगे? ये लोग कुछ जरूरी सामान है वो भी नहीं मिलते, है कि नहीं? नारी शक्ति जिंदाबाद! Long live, long live! Long live, long live! Long live, long live, long live! So sir, let me ask you today, in front of all the students, where are the professors? Which should have been there should have been 7 professors in all the departments. The Assam University Diffu campus, which has been suffering for 16 years. We don't even have basic requirements. Where is the playground? Even after 16 years.
Looking down on
Assam University campus has established 16 years of like. Ita may non-punan benanta basic requirements professors bangkon di dunay ma departments long along department ave. Lalo. So alam ang lepen ada guest faculty ta banbe. Around the tank guest faculty 6 months of pilote interview phanang be nang ko. Lalo. Lepen transportation fee ko full lo ni payment ke tami student sunda kata class duri phana bang khan bus lo sidor dite. Tum hangar ditin tik lo long le. Nampar ke 16 years lo ke playing playground da avelang nang itum da lo ko bela chini lo non ke school lo anda playground do college lo anda playground do ya thesi dak Central University campus set le avedat lo 16 years lo sports of fee ke do sports of fee do sports ko nalo pathupo fee le avete
yes so preka field dam nako
preka field nang bo paisa bisi lo bidan nako library long book ave basic a hormusi ave lapen alang thani tumar judam lote nei ridenge yatta ave hala administration head ke silchar campus no hidogok adak sido lasni ke hanle adak pen nang pete ne ke temo dak lo inda lang piphan lo dak do ke inge vc la dak bang lote tum chingki duni pulote atu phong da bang lo February lo tum chingki duni pulo nili tum phana palu dunanda long le vc apar ave pini ke meeting aphan to de bang manan chitong ne lo ge aphiar ni yang samdam theklong lo nili tum teacher tum status long atum ge kunani restaurant long chitong nam students apan chitong apar ave lo ma 16 years lo dak students ke suffer teachers ka ve guest faculty ka ve book ka ve playground ka ve bas sit ke dor de anparta medical insurance fee pudo la en po kita me police paper ke ave ipe me kaduk ave students nda ipe gari le tum insurance kuris tame police paper ke do la sabe alumni association ko fi en alumni association ke non punon benda seng sepin na asi lai puthak ni tum bang chisong nang bo bola la sipin ni tum students tum chingru pet si ka chisong lo ta puson administration ke la dake kroy ke lo ada ke chak ne lo 16 years lo itum kroy ne lo dake Assam University Administration
go back
Assam University Administration
go back
students unity
long live
students unity
long live
Union body mandat pen busta men litum dak litum theklong lo de university long de kedor de ate collecting hormu dopik asu puthak litum department lo meta litum humri dam pen de PPPC kedor de kabe mala hai tum chimun thilo la pen de memorandum dame samidon December check lo BC sara phanga me tum samidon lo akola so response me litum long le pen pini litum la February check lo tame tum BC sara phang bichi tong ne phanda ne tum boi lo tame litum phana porave Sini litum la so response long lang suppose pini litum kachesong ba ke la lo litum pini appoint dak son ket do si kicheng si bang ke litum phan dak department tin os tame UGC nom hote ko dang te dak ke bang proxy teaching atun do nang staff do nang professors do nang dak bang ke asitina department tame son playing ate kisuman department no bang ke lage bang thom pensi kami pasudina hada guest faculty ave apende dak
non guest faculty bangwa nai
inut ave
dak guest faculty
Anom sa tayong kare kwan
department is ame ave
Anom sa tayong
ithomvet pensi la HOD akam sa siklem poma na pulo si than poma mate hala ka break pipine mars ka akam siklem poma la son for students dom phanjita me class ke na bangke syllabus tamai cepat tangune syllabus tangune pola tum raspo ani si niang bo ani siang bong pen kosong si paper si patangun po
And the notification comes to the sudden.
nasi notification lang po exam si tamen non exam ta ke kontagi puta syllabus tangte ko pen exam ke jok na piune aso puta sadak future na kachesong lo exam bangke postpone lo sitame nitum bangke la ningkan non angke ningkan prit trok lo je isi university lo pulo dangte anutina student dun same dake ake mangdo nisa menut master degree charlie pen je lason son jeman di tu dreams do tha dilo dak me hello pen ke bang kun lo dak ren ke do pen pg ke do pen kon ane paisa cross pen dak si dolo tak nang charlie dondo dak yang se commission education pidek pulo dangte dum dak charlie pen bisele dola isi karbiang lo dum silang dam pulo dangte da bangke la dimahasau Karbiang Long, East Karbiang Long, West Karbiang Long, dake district thom hansi si panong do so university. Di sila pan akethe isi district isi pen isi university dak mission pai tum pithek the buran de la bangke isi ni chok chepik ku sima thadam isi ni tum pini ake mang appoint sa bangke la lo tum phan guest faculty nang vekji apente permanent faculties nang vekji itu mo phan hygienic kijuna lang na so harmon nang pithek nang ji Lapen tame basita me ane
portable drinking water ave manu pula
drinking water bangke subsub do tame la avidat voting lo
function pa me
awat ben ke department lo lang se ave lang se ave ape halla
physics department ke lang da bang we to nge
itu laptop ta bang we
science department kita so problem do si nili tu bangke la haya problem bangke student tu mesti arjudong lo student tum ke nitum phan je isi representative nang minchom ma ke student tum kisung hai arju pen tum ministry phan thandam bad nang phan ni phan lo tumi tum hai lam phan pe tam nang arju dorde nang arju je pro dai pini bang tum bang ning kang ti kalam lo asi larani pen tam tum tapuson kachesong i pu tum matha the sitame politely pen tum ministry phan approach dam to phan dam to kaklang nam po sitame aso respond long le jong tum ni chesong nang ko
faculty good non-teaching staff good. Because justice delayed is justice denied. And we cannot vote for that, sir.
बहुत स्टूडेंट है मंडल से आने वाले हम डीफू तक बस फेयर पे करते हैं जो कॉमन बसेस चलते हैं उससे आते हैं वहाँ से हमें बस मिलता है यूनिवर्सिटी का बस लेकिन सर मंडल से डीफू तक का फेयर हमें रोज 30 रुपए 40 रुपए एक टाइम का सिर्फ आने का देना पड़ता है और जाने का मतलब 100 रुपए हम रोज से खर्च कर रहे हैं यूनिवर्सिटी आने के लिए मंडल से डीफू तक का डीफू से हमें बस मिला है हमें मंडल तक बस चाहिए सर बहुत स्टूडेंट है मंडल तक से आने वाले तो हमें उसके लिए एक बस चाहिए सर हम पे कर रहे हैं 3000 2000 पे कर रहे हैं
भारी बात है आप देंगे
We are bound to help these students because our basic requirements have not been fulfilled as a central university for the past 16 years. So our demands are immediate appointment of permanent faculties for the vacancies, immediate appointment of guest faculties, increased number of the non-teaching staff, immediate introduction of more number in university bus, provision for the clean and hygienic water, upgradation of the buildings, immediate construction of students' playground, immediately entitle the Assam University campus library in the honor of late Bonglong Terang, and explanation on the medical insurance fee, and immediate formation of the Assam of the Alumni Association. So we submitted a memorandum on 26th of December 2022 addressing all our issues that the students have been facing for the past 16 years in this campus. So we submitted on 26th of December, and after that, accordingly, we sought for his response. We also submitted an application 2 times to our Pro-Vice Chancellor, but till now, till the present time, we haven't got any response or any call for discussion till date. So after 16 years, the students of university don't have their playground. They don't have the adequate number of professors in their department. They don't have 7 numbers of professors in their department. No guest faculty is appointed here, which have been called for interview every other 6 months. Nothing has been fulfilled. So you want to ask the administration, is this the meaning of a university? Has the dream been fulfilled of the people of Karbi Anglong and the hill districts for a central university? The dream is not yet fulfilled, not at all. In the facade of a university, we are given an empty shell. So therefore, we will sit for an indefinite demonstration until and unless we are given a written assurance for all our demands. The authorities never find time to listen to the issues of the students. They never call for a discussion. So after the submission of the memorandum, then it was on December 2022, and after that on the last week of February, the Vice Chancellor came for an executive meeting. So on that, we requested our Pro-Vice Chancellor that we would like to have a discussion. We would like to have a discussion with the Vice Chancellor. But then we were denied to enter the meeting. So if they don't have time to listen the issues of the students, problems of the students, how come they will know? And when will they solve the problem? Students have been waiting for 16 years. We don't even have basic requirements. No adequate number of professors, no guest faculty is appointed, no books in the library, no clean water, which is filled with iron. The water is filled with iron. And further, no playground. Sports fee is deducted. But where will the students play sports if there is no playground? And
Let me ask you, did you have any discussion with the present PVC as of now regarding your demands?
yes, we also apprised him along with our memorandum, and we also submitted this application to the Pro-Vice Chancellor. We have asked for a response from the Vice Chancellor through the Pro-Vice Chancellor that we be called for discussion or get any kind of response to our memorandum. So even after all this, we have not been called for discussion, no response. It is why today we are bound to raise our voice so that our sufferings will be heard.
How long is going to sit in the session?
So we are adamant that we will be sitting or holding this demonstration indefinitely until and unless we are given a written assurance of our demands.
Any message to the council authority?
Yes, we would like to request the Chief Executive Member, Dr. Tuliram Longhang, to please look into the matter and take necessary and immediate action. Thank you.
And in the coming days, like tomorrow and the after tomorrow, there will be a sit-in demonstration by the student also. If the demand is not fulfilled.
Yes, definitely. We are adamant. We are clear that we are going to hold this sit-in demonstration indefinitely.
Since your demand is fulfilled.
Yes.
Till your demand is
Till
fulfilled.
we are not given a written assurance that our demands will be fulfilled. Definitely. Students and the people of Karbi Anglong have been waiting for 16 years. Yes. So after 16 years, it is not fulfilled. But we can keep waiting for the full-fledged university, where our education quality is being compromised here, where basic requirements are not here. So yes, we definitely need, in an urgent need for a full-fledged university.
Water shortage. The quality of water provided here is not at all adequate. It is filled with iron and other things, and the filtration system is almost absent, near absent, because the quality of water is so bad that students cannot even wash their hands with it. And next, I'd like to come to the topic of playground. They deducted 100 rupees sports fee from each and every student. But what's the use of the sports fee if there is no playground, and there is no gymnasium, there is no indoor court, there is no other facilities to play? There was a badminton court that I heard about, but I have not seen it because it's in such a bad state. And there was a gymnasium, but I have not seen it yet because the condition of the gymnasium is not adequate to go inside also. So and in addition, there is also a medical fee. There is also a medical fee for all the students, but there is no assurance that they will get any medical assurance. It is mentioned that it's a medical insurance for the students, but there is no written record for medical assurance. The fee is just taken, and no proof is given for that. And the next topic is about the buses. There are adequate number of buses, yes, but sometimes the students have to come by standing. They don't get seats to sit. So the amount of buses is not to the point for the amount of students we have. Next, there is a lack of faculty, both non-teaching and teaching staff, because according to UGC norms, there should be at least 7 professors at least teaching faculties from each department. But there's at least 2 or 3 in some departments. Some departments it's 4. But up to there is no department which has 7 professors allotted there. And there is lack of non-teaching staff, which hampers the students' lives, because the teachers who should be teaching at this point have to do the works assigned to the non-teaching staff. They'll have to, for example, uploading marks for the internal assessment, or the marks uploading for the final semesters or something like that. The teachers have to do it. Our HOD has to do it.
Do you really want to say that this protest has been going because of the present PVC?
It is not fair to say that it's all his fault, because this is a campus, not a direct university. It's under the Silchar campus. Therefore, it's not directly his fault. We cannot blame him directly, because he's at least trying to do. But I am not trying to defend him from that, because he should be doing his duties. But he's at least trying. I can say that. But I'll not be defending him that he's not doing anything wrong or something like that. But he should try harder. And this dictatorial rule is not at all acceptable, because the way he's addressed the students is not at all acceptable. When he first came, he told the students to disperse immediately, and that is not acceptable. So